floor made of grass. Your blue eyes make me wanna make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside, just you and I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. We can just forget the deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5. Let's not waste a night like this, let's hold on tight. We got stars outside, and it feels just right. I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Dahil sa inyo ang Team Gemby, ay syempre kung wala kayo, wala yung Team Gemby na ganito. Sana hindi lang next year or hindi lang hanggang 2030 tayo magkakasama.
At sa mga team natin palaging nagsasacrifice at sumusuporta at masisipag, nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating samahan. Thank you po. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yes! Party, party na!